I am Dr. Pravina Piste, Professor in Chemistry at Raith Shikshan Sanstha's Arts, Science and Commerce College, Ramanagar, Burli. Now today we will study here the Organic Chemistry, paper 10th for the BSc part 3rd. The name of the topic is IR spectroscopy. In this we have to study here the exercises and the assignments. Our inspiration, founder of Raith Shikshan Sanstha, Padma Bhushan, Dr. Karmavir Bhaurao Patel. This video is for educational purpose only, no copyright infringement. This copyright belongs to its rightful owner. The credit goes to respective video music composers and singers. The pictures, images, names and or photographs shown and or depicted in this video tutorial are for representation purpose for ease of understanding the subject. The pictures, images, names and or photographs used are for educational purposes only. Now we have to see here some exercises, how to find out the structure of the compound by using the given formula. Now see the first example. An organic compound having the molecular formula C3H6O shows bands at 1720 and 2720 per centimeter in its IR spectra. Find out the structure of the compound. Now you have given the two frequencies, that is at the 1720 and 2720. You are given the formula C3H6O and you have to find out the structure of the compound. Now how to solve this problem. Now the first one, you see the site of unsaturation. The molecular formula C3H6O clearly indicates that it contains the two hydrogen atoms less than the saturated hydrocarbon. That is, it contains the one site of the unsaturation. This means that it contains the one double bond. Then secondly, the IR absorption band at the 1720 indicates that the presence of the carbonyl group may be aldehyde or ketone. Now it comes under at the 1700 to the 755. This indicates that this is the region of the carbonyl group, and therefore we can say that it may be of the aldehyde or the ketone because it contains only the one oxygen. Therefore we cannot say here of the ester. Now the third one, the IR absorption band at the 2720 per centimeter is due to the CH stretching frequency of an aldehyde group. If it is present at the 2720, this is due to the CH stretch in the aldehyde group, and it has given at the absorption band at the 2720 per centimeter, indicates that the presence of the CHO group. And the aldehyde group is always present at the end, and therefore the structure becomes CH3, CH2, CHO, and therefore the name of the compound is 1-propanol. Therefore the structure of the compound is like this one. See here, this is the structure of the compound, in which the CO stretching takes place at the 720 per centimeter, while the CH stretching in the aldehyde takes place at 2720 per centimeter. Now see the next example. An organic compound having the molecular formula C3H6O shows the IR bands at 3300, then 1620, 990 and 910 per centimeter. Find out the structure of the compound. Now first of all, you see the site of unsaturation. The molecular formula C3H6O indicates the presence of one site of the unsaturation. You can use the formula X plus 1 minus Y by 2, that is the 4 minus 3, that is you give the 1, that is there is a one site of the unsaturation. The second, the IR absorption band at the 3300 per centimeter indicates the presence of OH, NH or the triple bond CH stretching, the carbon which is bonded with the triple bond. It may be OH, NH or the CH. As the compounds do not contain nitrogen, the possibility of the NH is ruled out. Similarly, the compound contains only the one site of unsaturation. Hence, the possibility of triple bond CH group is also ruled out. Therefore, the IR absorption band at the 1620 indicates the presence of C double bond C in the compound, and the IR absorption band at the 990 and the 910 is due to the monosubstituted ethylene, and therefore that is the CH2 double bond CHR, and therefore there is a two possible structures. It may be one of them is the CH2 double bond CH, CH2OH, or it may be the CH3CO CH3, and therefore the second possibility is ruled out, that is as it undergo the tautomerism to form the stable ketone, that is the acetone. Now the third example, that is an organic compound having the molecular formula C4H6 shows the IR bands at the 3300 and 2100 per centimeter. Find out the structural formula of the compound. First of all, you have to see the sites of unsaturation. The molecular formula C4H6 indicates the presence of two sites of unsaturation. You use the methods. The IR absorption band at the 3300 per centimeter indicates the presence of OH, NH, CH groups. The IR absorption bands at the 2100 per centimeter indicates the presence of the triple bond region. This is the triple bond region. Therefore, it may be the presence of the C triple bond C. As the compound does not contain nitrogen, the possibility of the NH group is ruled out. Similarly, the OH group cannot be account for the two sites of unsaturation. Oxygen is absent, and hence its possibility is ruled out. Therefore, the alkyne must be terminal and having the formula the 1-butyl, that is the CH3, CH2, C triple bond C, CH. That is the C triple bond C which is occur at the 2100 per centimeter, while the CH stretching of the triple bond is the 3300 per centimeter, that is for the alkynes. Now see the fourth example. A compound shows the lambda max value at the 217 nanometer in UV spectrum and IR band at the 1620, 990 and 910 per centimeter. Find out the correct structural formula of the compound. The molecular formula is given C4H6. Now the sites of the unsaturation, they indicate that the presence of the C double bond C, and the bands at the 990 and 910 indicates the monosubstituted ethylene, that is the CH2 double bond CHR. The UV absorption at the lambda max value 217 nanometer indicates the presence of the conjugated diene. Hence the structural formula of the diene must be CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH, double bond CH2, that is the 1,3-butadiene. Now the next one, in what respect do the IR spectra of the following pairs of the organic compounds differ from each other? Do not consider the fingerprint region. You are given the phenyl acetic acid and the methyl benzoate. You have to differentiate the both one, phenyl acetic acid and the methyl benzoate, both are the isomers. Now phenylacetic acid here shows a broad absorption band at 2500 to 3600 per centimeter due to the OH stretching. There is a OH stretching. And similarly the absorption at 1700 to the 725 per centimeter will be seen due to the CO stretching frequency. But in case of the methyl benzoate, the absorption at the 2500 to 3600 per centimeter cannot be seen as there is a no OH group. The CO stretching frequency of an ester is seen at the 1735 to 1750 per centimeter. Similarly, a typical CO single bond frequency is seen at 1180 to 1300 per centimeter, but it is absent in the acid. Thus we can differentiate the phenylacetic acid and the methyl benzoate. Now the next one, in what respect do the IR spectra of the following pairs of the organic compounds differ from each other? Do not consider the fingerprint region. Here you are given the benzyl alcohol and the benzaldehyde. Now how to differentiate the benzyl alcohol and benzaldehyde from the IR spectrum? Now benzyl alcohol shows a broad absorption band at 3200 to 3600 due to the OH stretching frequency. This band is absent in benzaldehyde. The benzaldehyde shows two distinct bands. One is at 1700 per centimeter due to the CO stretching frequency, and the second at the 2700 to 2900 due to the CH stretching frequency. These bands are not observed in the IR spectrum of benzyl alcohol. Now the next one, in what respect do the IR spectra of the following pairs of the organic compounds differ from each other? Do not consider fingerprint region. Metacresol and the aniline. Here the M-cresol shows a broad band at the 3200 to 3600 due to the presence of OH stretching frequency, which is absent in the IR spectrum of anisole, and anisole shows a band at the 1050 to 1270 per centimeter due to the CO stretching frequency, which is absent in the metacresol. Now next one, in what respect do the IR spectra of the following pairs of the organic compounds differ from each other? Do not consider the fingerprint region. You are given here the para-methyl benzaldehyde and acetophenone. In this pair, aldehyde can be distinguished from the ketone due to the CH stretching at the 2700 to 2900 per centimeter shown by the para-methyl aldehyde. This band is absent in the acetophenone, and regularly the CO stretching on both the compounds, it is present shown at the same frequency, that is the 1690 per centimeter. Now for the assignment, you use the testmos.com/4636884 and the password is the 123456. You use here the testmos.com for the assignment. Now for the next video, visit the Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's YouTube channel Rayat Knowledge Bank. Thanks. If you have any questions, you can find me at ppstay321@gmail.com. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.